On this lesson, we will be focusing on the second part of Quarter 1, SLEM 1, Respiratory and Circulatory System Working Together. What are the objectives? Identify the parts of circulatory system. Describe the function of each part of circulatory system. Circulatory system, also called as cardiovascular system. It delivers essential substances to all cells for basic function to take place. What are the parts of circulatory system? The first part called as heart, which is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. The second one is blood, which transports oxygen and nutrients to different parts of the body. And the last part is blood vessels, which transport blood throughout the body. Let me broaden your mind on each part one by one. Heart. What are the parts of the heart? To make it easier for you to understand the parts of the heart, you have to know that in the heart we have chambers, valves, and blood vessels. Heart chambers. The internal cavity of the heart is divided into 4 chambers. The first chamber called as right atrium, which receives the oxygenated blood. We have right ventricle, which pumps the oxygenated blood. Left atrium receives oxygenated blood. Left ventricle, which pumps oxygenated blood. Heart valves. You have to remember that heart consists of 4 valves. We have so-called pulmonary valve, valve at the end of pulmonary artery located in the right ventricle. Tricuspid valve, valve located between the right atrium and right ventricle. Mitral valve, valve located between the left atrium and left ventricle. And the last is aortic valve, valve at the end of aorta, located in the left ventricle. Heart blood vessels. The heart consists of 5 major blood vessels. We have so-called superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, and we have aorta. Heart blood vessels. How does superior vena cava differ from inferior vena cava? Superior vena cava is the largest vein that receives the oxygenated blood from the upper parts of the body, such as neck and head. While inferior vena cava is the largest vein that receives the oxygenated blood from the lower part of the body, such as leg and feet. Heart blood vessels. Aside from vena cava, we also have aorta, largest artery that carries blood away from the heart to the rest of your body. And we have pulmonary vein. It is responsible for carrying oxygenated blood to the heart from the lungs. And the last blood vessel is pulmonary artery. It is responsible for carrying the oxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. We are done with the different parts of the heart. Now let us proceed to the blood vessels. Types of blood vessels. We have so-called arteries, which carries blood away from the heart. And we have veins, which carries blood to the heart. And capillaries, the smallest and the most numerous of the blood vessels, which connect the veins and arteries. Blood. What are the components of the blood? We have red blood cells, which carries oxygen, platelets needed for clotting, white blood cells that make up part of the immune system. Plasma, blood cells, nutrients, and waste floats in this liquid. That's all. Hope you gained something. Thank you.